All right, so now that we pointed out what rational numbers are, let's use them. Number 1, who's going to read that for me? Carter, please.
Stephen buys 2.32 pounds of trail mix and twice as many pounds of dried fruit. What is total cost?
So, by the way, numbers 1 through 3 in the directions say use the table at the right, so we got to know that we're using that. He buys 2.32 pounds of trail mix and twice as many pounds of dried fruit. Well, let's do one thing at a time. How are we going to figure out how much trail mix? Well, let's back up. Do you know what dried fruit is? It's fruit that's all dried out. Do you know what mixed nuts are? Oh, some peanuts, some cashews, some almonds, some, what'd you say? I don't know any other nuts. What? Walnuts. Okay. And trail mix. I love trail mix. What's in trail mix? Raisins. If you got the good kind, what else is in there? M&M's. And then some other junk, right? So he's got all these snacks, and he wants to buy 2.32 pounds of the trail mix. Caleb, what do I do?
So you multiply 3.50 by 2.32.
3.50 by 2.32. Because if 1 pound is $3.50, he wants 2.32 pounds, so he's got to multiply that. Would you all do that for me?
Yes.
Do we use our notebooks?
You just do it right in the book. I know you'd like to be neater and more spread out, but let's just do it right in the book. Is that making sense to everybody why we're multiplying these things?
Yes.
I have something else to say, but I'll wait till you finish this. So one thing I forgot to ask you, what's a good guess? 2.32 pounds of trail mix at $3.50 a pound. It should be close to
$8.
$7, $8, right? Because 350 times 2 is 7. So if you got 100 something, yeah, something went wrong.
I got 822.
So we got to check those decimals.
I got 8.12.
When you see this answer,
And Natalia, that's the exact reason why you want to estimate. Because if I know the answer is supposed to be close to 8 something, then chances are you forgot your decimal spots, right? So double check those.
when you see my answer,
Now I want to see it.
I do not know.
Okay, guys, this is decimal multiplication. Don't fail me now.
Now I get it.
Right? 350 times 2. Put a 0. Now 350 times 3. Put 2 zeros. Now 350 times 2.
Oh, that's not
1, 2, 3, 4 helps us know also the estimate should be close to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I got right. What?
What?
My decimal was wrong.
Now look, why did I chop off the zeros? David,
Because they don't matter.
how come?
Oh, I didn't matter. I know.
Please, what? They are, you're right, they don't matter because they're zeros, but also, what are we talking about in this problem?
I don't know how to explain it.
What did we just find?
Oh, how much it costs.
Yeah, money, and money only has 2 spots after the decimal, right?
Yes.
So there we go. $8.12 for trail mix. How are we gonna find out how much dried fruit he wants? Natalia?
And 4.25 plus 2 point, the time. 2.32. Now,
You would be correct, but you left out one word. It says twice as many pounds. Was that to me? Okay. So let's read the whole problem again. He buys 2.3 pounds of trail mix and twice as many pounds of dried fruit. So how many pounds of dried fruit is he buying? Twice what?
4.25 times 2.
Not exactly. You know what? And this is what I was going to say earlier. If you look at a lot of the numbers in these problems, some of you will be intimidated by the numbers just because they're not nice whole numbers, period. And you'll start telling yourself you don't know what you're doing. So how about you take out those intimidating numbers and you put in easier numbers? Natalia, what if I said, Stephen buys, I'm not going to write the whole problem, but he buys 2 pounds of trail mix. He buys twice as much,
Oh, I get it now.
many pounds of dried fruit. How many pounds of dried fruit is he buying in my little problem here?
4.
Good. See, you use easier numbers to know that I just doubled that, right? So now I look back in the problem and it wasn't 2, it was 2.32. So how much is he buying of dried fruit?
$4.64.
Good girl. That's right. 4.64 times what?
4.25.
You got it. All right, everybody. What should it be close to? 16. Your answer should be close to 16. You should be working that out now. I should see everybody's pencil to the paper, to the book. Working it out. Right, David? Not a pen, not a red pen, but a pencil. David, we're going to wait till you're done and you tell me your answer. Then we'll check it.